Good morning, Red Mountain. It is Tuesday, February 22nd. We have a 4-day week this week, which is pretty great. And today we have the baseball boys doing an interview.
Awesome. So can you guys go ahead and introduce yourselves for us?
My name is Braden Grantham. I'm a senior and I play baseball.
My name is Mason Kelly. I'm also a senior and I also play baseball.
I'm TJ and I play baseball as well. I'm also a senior.
Awesome. So what are your guys' goals for this year's baseball team?
Our goals are, the ultimate goal is to win state. Last year we came up a little bit short, and I think we have all the pieces to do it this year. We just need to make it happen.
Awesome. Do you guys have any personal expectations or goals for this season?
I know personally for me, I'm just trying to make it as far as I can in the tournament and try and do the best I can for my teammates and see what they need from me as the season goes on.
Yeah, I'm just trying to help my team win as much as I can in any way possible.
Awesome. Can you guys tell us what positions you play and what you guys did in this off season to prepare?
I play shortstop, and I just been taking ground balls and getting healthy, so I'm able to produce all year.
I'm a right-handed pitcher. All this off-season this summer, me and TJ actually played a bunch just around the country. We were in Florida. We were in California.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, I just, me and Mason played together. We played just the big summer circuit. We didn't really have much time off and just trying to get as strong as possible while staying as healthy as possible throughout all of that. Playing was kind of tough, but just to get ready for this upcoming season, we just needed to get as many reps as possible.
Cool. So do you guys have so I know club baseball is a big part of your off season, so what are some of the places that you played, and how does that prepare you for this high school season?
Well, I've kind of played everywhere. I mean, mostly California, Florida, Georgia, along the East Coast. It's weird how it works because you don't play with the same people you do in high school, and high school is more of like a family experience than club baseball is. I still love those guys that I played with, but it's like with high school, it's like a different connection. So it's hard to say that it prepares you. It prepares you in the baseball aspect, but as a teammate, it doesn't prepare you as much as like playing reps with your high school team would.
Yeah, and the summer circuit, a lot of the bigger tournaments and competitions are all held in similarly the same places, mostly Florida and Georgia, California, some in Arizona as well, but a lot of it was held in kind of the East Coast, so a lot of travel and stuff like that.
Cool. So what are the big games that we should look forward to coming out and watching?
March 2nd, Hamilton.
Oh.
They're the number 6 team in the country.
I think it's 5.
They're number 5 team in the country.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so that'll be a good game. Our first 5 games of the season are against some really solid teams, but Hamilton especially will be. It's at Hamilton this year, so March 2nd.
Yeah, we'll look forward to that. Who are some of your teammates that could have a big season?
We're hoping, we call him Carl, but his name is Mason Krasnarich. If he can put the bat in the ball and produce this year, it'd be a really big piece for us, along with Skylar Edmonds. If he's healthy and he can play the outfield with us, it's a big part of our team.
Yeah, having Fred Bond play to the best level he can behind the plate would be a huge jump for us.
For sure.
It's just going to help having as many bats consistently in the lineup as well. So I'd say Fred, Sky, and Carl or Mason Krasnarich is. If those 3 can produce, then we'll be in good hands.
Awesome. Cool. So, final question. What is your guys' favorite pregame music? Is there any one specific song that you guys like to listen to?
It's kind of my thing. Every single game before I play and on the way and even pregame with a speaker, I always play Don Tolliver. It's my guy, but that's just who I listen to. I've listened to him for a while now. Again, gets me in the zone.
Nice. What about you guys?
I know for me, it's "Line for Fun" by Yeet.
Okay.
That song gets me going.
Almost any J. Cole song will put me in the right mood. No matter if it's slow, fast, it's all good. No matter what he plays, it's fire.
All right. That sounds awesome. Well, thank you guys for coming out and talking to us about baseball. That's it for our interview, and now we're going on to announcements.
A driving permit seminar class is scheduled for Tuesday, March 3rd from 4:15 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. The instructor will review the rules of the road and administer the permit test. Passing students will receive certificates of completion to present to MDV for a driving permit. Registration forms are required and available in the bookstore. The cost is $25 online or $30 in the bookstore. Students must be 15 and a half years of age and by the date of the class, and must bring their original birth certificate or passport plus student ID card to the bookstore when registering for the class. Register early to get your spot. Please be aware that we have 2 types of dogs on our campus, service and therapy. We have Lewis, the service dog. She is strictly here for her handler and is not to be interacted with. This means no petting. We also have 2 therapy dogs, Buster and Anakin. These dogs are here to be pet and interacted with. Great news, JROTC is now offering dual enrollment credits for students who complete 4 years. Students can earn college credit toward a certificate in organizational leadership through MCC. Interested in the military? We can help you rank up in any branch of service. Stop by the JROTC building or email Major Cortez at olcortez@mpsaz.org and ask us how. The bookstore will close early at 11:45 a.m. each day this week, Tuesday the 22nd and through Friday the 25th. Please plan to visit early in the morning.
All right, the Native American Club offers a friendly social circle for students to learn about Native Indigenous cultures as well as to educate the school community at large. Club meetings are every Thursday during 5th lunch in Miss Carol-Patkin's room 242. Students with 4th lunch see Miss K, room 242, or Miss Carl, room 240 for a pass. Are you interested in different cultures? Do you like sampling foods from various ethnic cuisines? Do you enjoy learning about cultural holidays, traditions, mythology, and customs? Do you dream of international travel? If so, the Cultural Ambassadors Club is the club for you. Club meetings are every Thursday from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. in Miss Carol-Patkin's room 242. See you there. Interested in politics, social activism? Junior States of America is for you. There we go. Come meet fellow passionate students who are looking to make a difference in the world around us. Our group is nonpartisan and focused on restoring civil discourse. All viewpoints are welcome. We meet every Thursday in room 613 after school. See you there. Club Diversity will have meetings this Friday in the auditorium at 11:30 and 12:45. Please come and see the great things that Club D will be doing this school year. Disneyland, anyone? All right, and now for the best announcement ever. The Red Mountain Carnival is back. The amazing event will be held in March, which is March 3rd through March 6th. So please come see it. Come ride the rides. It's so much fun, you guys. And I think those are all your announcements for today, Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022, the Tuesday. 222. Bye.